There's a growing number of reported unlicensed dental practices across the state of Illinois. To prevent more from growing, a campaign is launched to educate the public on making sure you seek dental care only from licensed dentists. The campaign Fake Dentist, Real Risk comes after many patients report unlawful practices by unlicensed dentists. They report infections, permanent nerve damage, chipped teeth, and fake braces. The Illinois State Dental Society says by choosing licensed dentists, you can avoid severe health risks. It's also important to verify dental practitioners by judging where they work and how they operate their tools. You can report unlicensed dentists by submitting a form to the IDFPR.Illinois website.